What inspires humanity today? What is important for future generations? Taking real steps to ensure we treat our planet and our environment sustainably. Water is the greatest challenge facing our society. Demand for water and water supply, be it for drinking, for agriculture or for industry and production, is continuously rising. Our main clients and partners are local government, municipalities and cities, with very different tasks, such as the wastewater treatment of an entire city. For example, in Guangzhou in China, on the surface, we see only parkland with meadows and ponds. But 15 meters down, millions of cubic meters of wastewater are treated for the benefit of residents and the positive development of an entire city. For example, in Canoas, in Colombia, the Bogotá River is one of the most polluted in South America. The initiative to clean up this river began because farmers and inhabitants of Bogotá and the surrounding region demanded action from the Colombian government. This project is one of the most important in our country and counts among the mega projects currently being developed in South America. Once operation begins, the pumping station will be the 5th largest project in the world. We are really proud of the size of the project and appreciate the support and services from KSB. This is what makes the project possible and gives us the confidence to get the job done. Supplying water for irrigation and agriculture requires smart solutions. The key word is reuse. Water reuse is a major issue in our global society. The plants in the fields absorb 10 to 15% of the water. But what happens to the rest? We collect it and then either transport it to the fields or treat it so that we can drink it. For example, in El Dabar in Egypt. Water and desert. That sounds like a contrast and a challenge. In Egypt, we are involved in a truly amazing irrigation project. A project that represents a leap in water supply for an entire region. On the one hand, this is about supplying people with drinking water. But on the other, it is about agriculture and irrigation of large fields to cultivate the desert landscape. The use of drinking water in agriculture is neither ecological nor economical. Most of the water is lost without being used. And this is where we come in, with our reuse project. Surplus water is collected, recycled and used for the second time in irrigation. This kind of project demands expertise, cutting-edge technology and the ability to innovate. The El Dabar irrigation project in Egypt is one of the largest of its kind in the world. What does water management have to do with climate targets? What many people do not realize is that water management installations are one of the largest consumers of energy. This sector therefore offers unique potential for contributing to the fulfillment of climate protection goals and to achieving concrete potential savings through the use of energy-efficient components and system technologies. The energy savings that can be achieved are significant. In fact, we're talking about figures of up to 30%. But water does not only benefit people, it can also cause great harm. When people need protection, then time is of the essence. When it comes to climate change, we face a challenge. On the one hand, we will have too much water where we do not want it. On the other, we will have too little water where we really need it. Emergencies require pumps for mobile operation in disaster control scenarios and ideally permanent solutions as well. For example, in Ubon Ratchathani. With our many years of experience in the water sector, we appreciate KSB's continuous development in the areas of safety, reliability and innovation. This has helped us to find a perfect solution to tackling the problems in Ubon Ratchathani. We chose a system with 3 KSB Sawatec pumps, which allow us to manage the situation during the rainy season and provide irrigation for those who need water in the dry season. Our philosophy is that we work to help people.
ช่วยเหลือประชาชน
All over the world, our brightest minds and the most cutting-edge machinery and systems are at work to pump, treat and supply water for people and the environment. Clean water for everyone around the world.